Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. My name is Lynn and I am Pretty Papercraft 67. Today I just wanted to do a flip through of this really sweet little journal idea. I first saw this idea on, hope I get this right, her lady's name is Leslie and she is 507 Willow House Road on YouTube. I will link her below. It's called a flip-flop journal. Now I must confess I probably haven't done it correctly because I did get a little bit confused with the flip-flopness of the envelopes, but anyway, I'm pleased with the results. So I just wanted to do a quick flip through with you today to show you. This is my Christmas journal. I usually only do one Christmas journal a year, and so yeah, I just really loved how this turned out. So I've used some beautiful sari silk ribbon. It's sort of like creams and greens, which goes really nice with the Christmas feel. And I've just made a little tag on the tie, so that just stays on there. Yeah, so flip-flop journal. So basically I have been creating tag books just of late, and this is kind of what reminded me of a tag book, but it's also got journals inside of it. So I've just made some tags and pin them in place. So a little vintage lady with some material. I've backed her onto some handmade paper and just this gorgeous chiffon ribbon for a tie and machine stitched, some embroidery on glaze and some crochet cotton which has been coffee dyed. So she sits proudly on the front. And then I've used a small window envelope as my first flip, and inside of that I've just created using a printable from my store. I've made this little journal card, and again I've used the chiffon ribbon machine stitch, so that one lives inside that little pocket, but then the journal flips, and so there's just a space here. Yeah, it's just, you could put a label there and write if you wanted to journal on that page. Just for a bit of fun, I've just put a little double-sided tag flip in here. There is a pocket in here, but it is a little bit difficult to access, which next one I make, I'll remember to put the pocket on that side. But in any case, it's just a cute little flip. Then we've got a pocket, and inside that pocket, I have put, yeah, I just really love this little Merry Christmas. You could use it as a tag, sort of a dangle on a tag, or you could include it in as a page embellishment, but I thought that was really sweet. And then these two are from the Graphics Fairy, a printable from the Graphics Fairy, so just a little double-sided tag and a wish list for Santa journal card. So that's your pocket, and then it flips this way. And again, I've put another swing envelope there, flip out there, and I've got little Santa tag, journaling card. I've done a bit of hand stamping on the back of that one. And again, I have made one of these lovely vintage ladies, just with some laces and embroidery on glaze, again, backed onto some handmade paper. And a chiffon tie. Right, and then there's this page here, which again you could add another pocket, or it's got a nice area that you could do some journaling on if you wanted to. And then we have just a little, I think there's 12 pages, just a little journal. You could put some photographs on there, or you could add little pockets to it to slip notes inside. There are enough plain papers for you to actually write on if you wanted to journal inside of there. And I've just machine stitched around all these pages just to give it that really old style feel. Center page. So that's your little journal, like that. And then we have another little envelope flip area, and I've just popped another little one of these gorgeous little vintage ladies in there with some just embellishments of laces and braid and things like that. And this here, If you take away that clip, if you can, then that will flip out like so. It just gets held in place by that little paper clip there. And then flips out here, and again there's another flip out with an envelope, a little spot to put a little journaling card in. And then it flips again, and you have it. I've made another little pocket with some beautiful angels and some a braid and certain bits and pieces in fabric. And again, I've included another Santa wish list journal card and another one of these cute little tags. And then you have a second journal. So again, it's got 12 pages, pretty much identical to the first one. I have used different patterns. But yeah, so again, you've just got some journal space to add some more decorations or to write about Christmas. I've just put some little buttons on the center strings of this journal. Oh. Yeah, so what a great little idea. And then it flips back and you're back to the beginning. So I really love this idea. I thought it was such a sweet, it's just something really sweet, a whole different way to create a journal. You've got all your ephemera in there, plenty of room to add more. Lovely Christmas gift for someone that does journal. Or if you like to do a December daily, there's probably enough in there. If you added a few more bits and pieces, there'd probably be enough in there to do a December daily. So that one will be going into the Etsy store, hopefully, fingers crossed, today. Just got to do the photography and editing. And yeah, Leslie at 507 Willow House Road. I think she does like a full, I'm guessing, but I think it's at least 5 or 6 parts to making a flip-flop journal. I will link her below. So thank you so much. I hope that you've enjoyed that. I just think it's such a wonderful difference to making a journal. If you make journals all the time, you know it's the same old routine. So this is just mixes it up a bit and makes it fun. Okay, I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Be kind to one another, and I will see you all on the next video. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.